Your cat that annoys King Julian. King Julian! King Julian!
You silly kitty. Okay. It's your baby.
That's a big one.
Mr. Chief, face the camera. Hey.
Hey.
Семен, кто?
Why did you do that?
Oh, those are my Cheetos! What's not so hard? Well, why is it?
Why are you such a little bitch?
What's the wrong way, you?
Being naughty.
I'm not helping you. You're screwed.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna act like.
What are you doing in here?
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
Meow.
I love you.
No.
You could do it if you tried.
One more? One more hook? Okay.
She patted your back.
Mink, 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 mink.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Hello. Ow! No!
It's you.
Do you want to eat? Okay.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
It's gonna be hot.
Oh, he's gonna make it.
What happened?
Max, I knew you.
Dinner.
Oh my God! What?
Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Single wanna rap, baby la la. Lisa, can you teach me Japanese?
Are you embarrassed? Oh my God.
Good job.
Let's sing a song, yeah?
Come on. Get up here.
Hi.
There you go.
Ludicrous! No!
What have you been up to? What was that sound? Walter!
Oh my god!
Meow. Meow.
Gary! May I have your smelly bird?
Excuse me? No, no, no. Lo clavó.
Ouch. Ouch.
And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are. Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.